Good Wednesday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Vazurek on the phone with Ag Meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather Now, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. Chris, kind of a muggy start to a Wednesday morning.
Yeah, Joe, we got that high-pressure ridge that it's redeveloped itself as a trough is coming in the Pacific North and West, and that'll eventually move along the Canadian border tomorrow and swing a cold front through here that'll give us chances for shower and thunderstorm activity tomorrow afternoon. Out there this morning, however, we're starting off with that southeasterly wind underneath that ridge, and it's pumping moisture in here. We've got fog being reported at the Hill City monitor at 2-mile visibility, Oakley at 6-mile, and you get up there into Julesburg, Colorado, and that's where we've got the 3/4-mile visibility with that fog. So this fog and clouds will burn off quickly here this morning as those winds become more southerly and pick up at 10 to 20 miles per hour. May have some afternoon gusts to 25, and that'll push our afternoon temperatures into the middle 90s. So we're going to have one more hot day before that cool front swings through here tomorrow afternoon. Ahead of that front tomorrow, we'll see a big change in those temperatures. Behind it, we'll see upper 70s and low 80s. And then in front of it, we'll see upper 80s to lower to mid 90s. And that front looks like it will set up across northwest Kansas from Sharon Springs through Atwood to McCook about 4 p.m. tomorrow afternoon. And that's when we'll start to see those thunderstorms pop up. Then as it moves off to the east and southeast during the evening, it could be a brief period of severe weather potential there in Norton, Graham, Gove counties as that's picking up in intensity during the heating of the day. But then as it moves off to the east across Kansas overnight, it'll probably just be a good rainmaker. Some locations in our northwest Kansas area could pick up a half inch to an inch. Maybe you get in that severe weather area in Norton, Graham counties, Gove County. You could see locally heavy rainfall as that thing moves off to the east. Tonight's lows will be in the middle 60s, and then tomorrow they'll drop into those middle 50s, and that'll leave Friday being a cool morning. It'll start off in those 50s. We'll see this Canadian air move in behind that front. It will be dry air, so it'll be a pleasant day. Afternoon highs will climb back up there into the middle 80s, and then that high-pressure ridge will start building out to the west again over Colorado. That cooler pool of air will sit over us through Labor Day. We'll have sunny skies and temperatures will generally warm up into those mid to upper 80s during that period and be a dry forecast for Labor Day. Overnight lows will be in the middle to upper 50s. And as we're looking ahead for our next rain chance, it doesn't come into the forecast until later next week after Wednesday, Thursday, Friday time frame. Another upper level trough and low pressure will move in from the Pacific Northwest, move along those northern tier of states or the Canadian border with a cool front later next week. So that could even cool temperatures further as we head into the middle parts of the month and bring another rain chance. But up until then, we'll see some 80-degree temperatures, lows in the 50s, and dry conditions heading into that second full week of the month of September.
Once again, that's Ag Meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather Now, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel for 106.1 KYVZ. I'm Joe Vazurek.